Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll and I have a quick tip for you on how to custom color your glitter. You can custom color whatever type of glitter you want. I'll be using two types of distress glitter for this video. I start off with these little ranger jars. These are perfect for mixing the glitters. Also a color of some alcohol ink that I want to use for my project. And for this first mix, I'll be using Distress Rock Candy Glitter. I've created a funnel from some paper and I'm just pouring some of the clear rock candy glitter into my little jar. And to color it, I'll use several drops of PATINA alcohol ink. And this is a color I've chosen to match my project. Once I have the drops in, I'm using the back of a paintbrush just to mix that up a little bit. Now I have a beautifully colored glitter. Next, I'll spread this out onto my sheet of paper so that it can dry completely. And to help it along, I'll use that paintbrush and smooth this out. So let this dry for about 10 minutes. We'll be using it in a glitter duster in a few minutes, and we don't want any wet particles that would clog the duster. To really make my custom glitter sparkle, I'm using Distress Glitter Dust, and this is Vintage Platinum, and I put some into my little jar. And once again, I'll be using the platinum alcohol ink to color this, and you can really see how the colors of the vintage platinum and that patina will go well with my project. I'll stir this again just as I did the other, and now I am adding in a mix of my patina and rock candy glitter on top so that I get kind of a combination of those two glitters. The custom color that I got is really delicious and I can't wait to get it onto my project. But once again, I'll spread this onto some paper and allow this to dry completely. And to fill up my glitter duster, I'll just pinch my paper at the end and fill up the bottom part of that jar. And finally, I'll secure that cap on top, and now I have a bottle of custom colored glitter that I can dust on top of my project. I'll be using the Tim Holtz Collage medium to add to the project so that the glitter will have something to stick to, and I'm just going to concentrate on this wood frame. So using a paintbrush, I'll paint on the collage medium just onto the areas where I want to add some glitter. I'm using the collage medium because it has a matte finish, and I'm adding it to a portion of my project that is also a matte finish, so I won't have any glossy edges underneath. Once I have that glue applied, I'll use my duster and start spritzing on some of that glitter onto that wet collage medium. Using the duster is really easy because you can really concentrate on the areas where you want to apply it, and as it says, it just gives a dusting of glitter. I'll give this a little tap to remove some of the excess glitter, but now I can show you where that frame has a little bit of glimmer and glitz. Next, I'll be adding some glitter to my butterflies, and for that I'll be using glossy accents since the butterflies have a shiny or glossy finish. Using a paintbrush, I'll paint this right onto the wings and body of the butterfly. And then by pumping the top of that glitter duster, I can add a beautiful shine of glitter just to the area of that butterfly. The colors of the patina colored rock candy glitter and also the vintage platinum glitter all come out beautifully onto this project. I hope I've given you some helpful tips and tricks on how to custom color your glitter to use in your glitter duster. And as always, thanks so much for watching.